Hello everyone, myself MC Desai ma'am. In this lecture, we discuss chemical bonding and molecular structure. In this semester, there are two papers. First is inorganic chemistry and second is organic chemistry. And second paper is organic chemistry. Today we start the topic from inorganic chemistry. The topic name is chemical bonding and molecular structure. First we discuss some basic concept related to chemical bonding and molecular structure. First concept is what is covalent bond? Covalent bond. We all know that, or we all study the covalent bond in 11th and 12th standard. Therefore, what is covalent bond? The chemical bond in which electron pairs in which pairing of electrons, this type of bond is formed is called as covalent bond. For example, here the example is hydrogen atom. The atomic number is 1, that is electron is 1. Next, what is definition of covalent bond? Pairing of electron pair. Therefore, one hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atom pairing, that is 2 electrons. This is denoted as it is electron. Therefore, 2 electron, and the bonding is hydrogen electron. The bond is formation is H2 molecule. This is called as covalent bond, that is sharing of electron pair. Next concept is VBT theory. In shortly we discuss VBT theory. According to this theory, the covalent bond formation in this way. According to this theory, the covalent bond formation is overlapping of half-filled orbital to another orbital to form a bond This concept is called as valence bond theory, that is overlapping of half-filled orbital to other half-filled orbital to form a covalent bond is called as valence bond theory. In briefly, in next topic we discuss the VBT theory. Next concept is what is atomic orbitals? What is atomic orbitals? Here we consider a nucleus of an atom. This is the electron density around the nucleus is called as atomic orbitals. Therefore, the definition is the probability of finding the probability of finding electron density around the nucleus is called as atomic orbitals. The probability of finding electron density around the nucleus is called as atomic orbitals. It is denoted by capital AO, atomic orbitals. Okay, next concept is molecular orbitals. Next concept is molecular orbitals. The combination of atomic orbitals is called as molecular orbitals, or the combining of atomic orbitals to give molecular orbital. The combining of atomic orbitals to give molecular orbitals. That is, next is, what is difference between molecular orbitals and atomic orbitals? Here we write down atomic orbitals. Molecular orbitals. In atomic orbital, first point is the probability of finding electron density around the nucleus. Here, the probability of finding electron density around the nucleus. And here the probability of finding electron density around the nuclei more than one nucleus. Therefore, we write down here the probability of finding electron density around the nuclei. More than one nucleus. Next point is atomic orbital belongs to only one atom. Therefore, here we write down atomic orbital belongs to only one atom, and molecular orbital belongs to belongs to two or more atom. More atom. Okay. Third point is atomic orbitals is monocentric. Atomic orbitals are monocentric because only one nucleus here, and around the nucleus find out the electron density. Okay, and in molecular orbitals are two or polycentric. Polycentric. Fourth point is the shape and size of atomic orbitals is the shape, the definite shape of atomic orbitals, definite shape and size. It gives here, it gives definite shape and size. Molecular orbital it does not give or not definite does not give definite shape or size because of combining different atomic orbitals. Shape and size because of combining different atomic orbitals. Okay, next is atomic orbitals. Write down in this way. It gives S, P, D, F orbitals, etc. orbitals, and molecular orbital gives sigma, comma, sigma star, pi, pi star. Okay. Next is atomic orbitals is less stable than molecular orbitals, and molecular orbitals are more stable than atomic orbitals. Next point is it gives quantum numbers. Atomic orbital gives quantum number, n, l, m, and molecular orbital gives quantum number, n, l, lambda, etc. Okay, this is the difference between atomic orbital and molecular orbital.